Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the market. I'll show one of my trades in parallel, and we'll also talk a bit about trading psychology. Let's start with the giant of the market, Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, I mostly trade using indicators. No guessing games, no trying to predict whether price will go up or down. I only work based on what the indicators are showing. Sometimes I also pay attention to key levels that I draw on the chart. At the moment, the picture looks like this. Price has closed within a specific range. Right now, I see a few possible scenarios. Scenario 1. We get a retest of the level and then move higher, toward the $98,000 to $101,000 area. From that zone, a move down toward the $81,000 range becomes possible. This is the scenario I'm more focused on, but it's important to remember that trading is about probabilities, nothing more. Scenario 2. We break below the level I've marked and move directly into the $81,000 range. From there, we'll simply react to what the market shows us in real time. That's it for Bitcoin for now. In the next video or in my Telegram channel, I'll explain my strategy in more detail and show how I use it in practice. Now let's take a look at one of my trades that is currently running. I'll briefly explain what made me take this short position. First, let's focus on the trend. Here, the trend is clearly bearish. That's the first step. Next, we can see a well-formed and clean level. There are multiple clear touches, and before the break of the trend line, we can see a small bounce, followed by the actual breakdown. I also took into account the indicator in the bottom right corner of the screen. The values there fit my conditions, and that became another confirmation for the short. The potential target for this trade is marked by the level on the chart, but a move much lower is also possible, down into the $62 area. Now let's talk a bit about trading psychology. We'll start with something simple, in plain language. Price always moves toward where the most pain is. The market is not a chart. The market is emotions, fear and greed. Where it hurts the majority the most, price tends to go more often than not. The crowd always waits for confirmation. They wait for the perfect signal. They wait until it becomes clear. But the market doesn't have to be clear. While the crowd waits for confirmation, smart money is already in position. The market doesn't explain, it punishes. It delivers the move when most people are not ready. When everyone expects a pullback, price takes off without one. When everyone is confident in higher prices, the drop begins. Remember one thing: the best moves happen without warning. No news, no perfect signals, no permission from the crowd. That's why most traders are always late. That's why the market seems illogical. In reality, it is logical. Its logic just isn't made for the crowd. That's all for today. Don't forget to check out my Telegram channel if you're interested in seeing more content about trading and crypto. The link will be in the video description. To summarize, today we looked at several possible scenarios for Bitcoin. I showed my trade with no hype and full transparency, and we also talked a bit about trading psychology. I think that's a good place to stop for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.